In this lesson, you will learn about a very important term called geometric relation. So how does this geometric relation works? You have to understand this thing very well because this is very important part. So in the sketch, I think you already noticed there is some additional icon is shows. Like when I want to make a line from this point, there is a small yellow icon. It shows it's a point, and suppose I select that point. When I go to the horizontal, it's next to the cursor is there is a horizontal flag pop-up. If I go to the vertical, it shows the vertical line. So if I go to the horizontal, then the line has been completed, and this is that icon is shows that this is the horizontal. So what is this? This is that geometric relation. So what does this do? This will control the sketch. Normally how this sketch will behave, this will control that thing. Suppose this is a line and this is the horizontal. This is the horizontal. Geometric relation has been added on this line. If I want to change this line, I can't change this thing because this is in horizontal position. I move this. I can move this line from top and bottom, but I cannot change the angle of the line. If I make this line, and if I want to change this line, I can change this because there is no geometric relation on this line. That means if I put a geometric relation, I have better control on the sketch, on the sketch entities, and after applying this geometric relation, I will get better control on this sketch. But this is automatically added. You can also add automatically in the different way. Suppose this is a line, and there is in the two side, it shows the dotted line. It's called inference line. In this inference line, you can, if you go in this line, it shows the collinear, and if you go to this line, it will show the perpendicular. If I go to the perpendicular and go again to this line, then it will be the collinear. All are this icon, all are geometric relation. So geometric relation, normally few geometric relation will be added automatically, but some geometric relation you have to add manually. So there are some other way to add geometric relation automatically. One is, suppose this is the line. If I want to make another line which has to be parallel with this line, how do I do that? Before I do anything, I have to select this line because the new line has to be parallel with this line. So first I have to select this line. I have selected this line. Now I will activate that line. When I click the first line, this inference line is parallel with this line. This line is parallel with this line. This line is perpendicular with this line because I already selected this line. If I press this thing, this line and this line is parallel. How do I know that? If I change this thing, you can see these two parallel. This is that automatic relation. You can also add this automatic relation by this way. There is another example, like say this is a circle. If I add a line on any point on the circle, and if I want to move this line, it says it's tangent with the line, and this is that tangent geometric relation. Suppose again I want to add the line, but I don't want to be tangent with this. How do I remove this tangent? Just go back to that initial point. When I will go back to the initial point, it is showing two inference line. One is the tangent and another is the perpendicular. So if I don't want either one of the way, I can go any other point. and it will be coincident with this circle. So this is that geometric relation. So you can add this geometric relation automatically, but you cannot get better control, because all time you will see the few relation SolidWorks will automatically the SolidWorks will add for you, but maximum major geometric relation you have to do it manually. I will show you later in next lesson.